Hello guys, welcome to our first tutorial on the Nigerian legal method beginner's guide. Well, I know this course is a little bit hard because most of the times freshers have been welcomed with it and they at times seem to find some technicalities in the wordings which hinders their comprehension of the course. What I will do is try to break down those technicalities and break them down to your level of perception. I will use pidgin English, I will use simple terms, I will use simple English till you all understand. Do not forget to hit the like as well as the subscribe button below. So let's start with a comprehensive introduction of the course. The Nigerian legal method is a very important course that every aspiring lawyer must prepare to face. It was designed by the NUC to be studied by fresh law students in Nigerian universities. This course is unavoidable. Let me break it to you guys studying law abroad and also wanting to practice in Nigeria. Legal method awaits you still. Don't be deceived, people. The name might sound easy and simple, but truth be told, the course is hard to define. Yeah, the course is hard to define. Now there are several reasons behind this. First, the first reason is the tendency to equate the Nigerian legal method and the Nigerian legal system, which is another pain in the ass course, designed by the NUC still. Secondly, the word method and system are often used synonymously by lawyers, and this makes it difficult to distinguish between the two. Thirdly, both the two courses cover wide scopes, and in the process of studying the two, one might confuse one for the other because you will definitely encounter similarities, overlaps, and differences. In our guide, we will make an attempt to define the two, highlight similarities, and their differences. Well, that's it for the introduction, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Tune in, hit that bell, don't forget to subscribe, and allow me guide you on your legal journey. Till we meet again in our next video.